Bilang mga tao, bilang kabataan, mahalaga ang lugar, location. Location speaks about yung residence natin, ministry natin, job natin, career natin. Mahalaga yan eh. Because location can strongly affect and impact our lives. Pati yung relationship natin sa Panginoon. Hindi talaga siya pwedeng, kung maisip mo lang at kung titingnan mo lang what's best, you really need God na ma-involve doon. Because ito kasi yung pinaka-point doon, God has prepared and set a place for us. And kapag nasa ibang lugar ka, di ba ang hirap? Kasi parang hindi ka match. Dahil hindi ka naman talaga nararapat na doon. And God wants us to be fully satisfied and effective. So, pray. Do not trust in your own sight or understanding. You seek God about it. Kasi when you really pray and seek God about it, God will really answer you.